Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a soundboard to Discord mobile. So this is useful if you want to upload your own sound and use it in your Discord servers. First, open the Discord app on your phone and check if the soundboard upload option is available in your server settings. If you cannot find it in the app, open a browser instead, like Chrome or Safari. In the browser, go to Discord's website before opening Discord. Turn on desktop site from the browser menu. So this helps show more server settings that may not appear on the mobile version. After that, open Discord in the browser and log into your account. And once you are logged in, choose the server where you want to add the sound. Tap the arrow beside the server name, then open server settings and look for the soundboard section, then tap the upload sound. Now, choose the audio file from your phone, add a name for the sound, choose an emoji if you want, and then tap upload. And once the upload is completed, the sound will be added to your Discord soundboard. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.